Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. This is Motola Olowo Shibi, and today we'll be making french fries egg snack. You're going to be loving it because it has an outer crunchy taste and the inner fluffy and soft. Let's enjoy this video together. On this recipe, we'll be needing 3 large Irish potatoes, finely peeled off, and we chop them like so. Continue to chop like so to achieve this thickness. Add all chopped Irish potato into a clean water. Wash them. And pat them dry with kitchen towels. Now add all into a clean bowl. Break in 2 eggs. Add your mixed spice, chili pepper and salt, all depending into your taste. Then mix with a spatula. Then sieve into it 1/3 cup of flour, multi-purpose flour. Do justice to it by mixing it with your hands to get all ingredients covered. Heat up your oil and fry till golden brown. I will leave you to enjoy the video to the fullest.